Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install an odometer blocker on the Smart #3. First, go to the passenger side. Right next to the footwell, remove this panel. Inside, you'll find the control unit's white connector. We'll plug the blocker directly into it and place the software module right here in a safe and convenient spot. That's it for the installation. Now let's move on to activation and a quick test drive. Before we start, I want you to pay close attention and remember this. The current mileage is 17,655 kilometers. Keep that in mind. Next, grab your smartphone and download the SKF Speed Version 2 app. Open it and connect to the device via Bluetooth. Once connected, go into Settings and enter the current mileage. Again, in our case, that's 17,655 kilometers. You can name the device whatever you want. And make sure to set the trip mode to Bluetooth. Everything looks good. Let's go. Now watch closely. Keep your eyes on both the car's odometer and the app's trip counter. You see that? The car is moving, but the odometer isn't counting any distance. The real mileage is being recorded only inside the app. Quick reminder for anyone interested in purchasing, kilometer filters are not permitted on public roads. If the vehicle is resold, the odometer reading must be reset to its original status. Alright, back to our test drive. We've driven over 4 kilometers, and as you can see, the car's odometer still shows